are going to love the 2015 Ford Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, floor mats, cruise control, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, front-wheel drive, rear defrost, trip computer, CD player. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.